Welcome to part 3 of this incredible Q&A. I am joined once again by Lauren, and she is going to be asking the questions. I'm going to be answering the questions. I posted a post asking you to ask all these different questions, and I got 50 messages, I believe. We've done our part 1 and our part 2, and we are now up to the final part 3. So let me know what you think about these Q&As in the comments down below. Hopefully we can make a few more. And like I said, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button.
And smash the like button.
Yeah, smash the like button. And let's get right into the video. So start with the first question.
Okay. The first question. Can you make profit in one print-on-demand platform if you can upload about 30 designs a day?
Why not? I mean, look, upload to multiple platforms. There's no magic number to make money. It could be one design that makes you the most of the money. It could be 30, it could be 100. So I don't want to answer the question and be like, if you upload 30 designs on one platform every single day, you will be rich. Because that doesn't, like, you can't quantify it. There's no, there's no set formula.
The next question is from Uzma. I have an Amazon account as a buyer and I'm using the same for merch by Amazon as well. So if I want to join in for Amazon FBA, do I need to have a separate seller account or the previous one I do? Like, how does it work? I have heard that if someone already has one account, they can get banned if you try to make a new one, so I'm a bit confused about it.
Fair question. Usually if you have an FBA account and you make a second FBA account, you can get banned if you don't message Amazon and explain to them the situation. For example, 2 businesses with 2 separate people or whatever. I also have a Merch by Amazon account with the same login as my personal Amazon account, but I have a separate account for Amazon FBA. So in fact, I have an Amazon FBA account in the US and an Amazon FBA account in the UK, and those are 2, said those weirdly, those are 2 separate accounts to my merch and / my personal one. So that should be absolutely fine.
Nice. Interesting question. When you make your videos, do you write a script or freestyle the whole thing?
I make a script because I know if I freestyle, I will be talking for hours and I will never get to the point. So I will happily make a video on how I make my YouTube videos in terms of the setup, the script, how it works. But basically, just a long story short, I have an intro, I have a main, I have an outro, and I do all my research. I put all the notes in, and once I have the notes, I condense it down into an actual script, and then I'll speak to you and hopefully, follow that script and give you good information.
Do you have any pets? If you do, can we please see them? Sorry to disappoint, we have no pets.
Looks like Lauren answered that question for you. We have no pets.
Should we get a pet?
What do you want to get?
A little puppy.
What kind of puppy?
A fluffy puppy. Do you still do print on demand, and if yes, which sites do you use?
So I have products uploaded to Redbubble, and I have a Merch by Amazon account, which I have procrastinated to uploading to for so long. So short answer is not really, no. I like to focus my time on more profitable and enjoyable things. Long answer is, with all these videos and research that I'm doing, I'm finding myself more interested in re-uploading products to Merch by Amazon, uploading more products to Redbubble, and continuing to ignore Teespring because I don't like Teespring.
Which college did you attend?
I never went to college. I did primary school and I did high school, and then I did this.
Life.
You'll learn a lot more lessons in life than you will in college, put it that way.
Afiel asks, what is the best way to do drop shipping? Can you make a video about drop shipping?
Sure. I have actually made a video about drop shipping. I did a drop shipping video when I did eBay drop shipping. I've also done a video on Shopify drop shipping. So I would say the cards are up there, but they're probably not going to be because I always forget to do that. But I could make more videos on drop shipping if you would like. And what was the beginning of the question?
What's the best way to do drop shipping?
The best way to get into it, I genuinely believe, is start with eBay, selling on Shopify with a small margin, find a good product that's working. When you see there are sales coming through your Facebook ad, you might not be making money, you might be breaking even, but then switch it up to a proper dropshipping platform, not like a supplier that can actually dropship products for much, much cheaper.
DW asks, do you really make over $70,000 on Teespring?
I did make $70,000 on Teespring in around 3 months. It was a ridiculous time, and I'm very grateful for it, and also for the fact that that video of how I made $70,000 on Teespring has got over 120,000 views. So thank you very much to everyone who watched that.
Good work.
Thank you.
Vaishi asks, how do you prepare your print-on-demand shop for the holiday season?
I did answer this question a bit earlier. I don't really, because I don't. Trends are good. Holiday season trends are brilliant. I just don't like focusing on them too much, because I like investing my time into businesses that will make me evergreen money, not businesses that will make me money here and now. So does that make sense? Yeah.
They also ask, what is the difference between copyright and trademark?
Great question. I would ask a lawyer to give you that answer, because I know I will probably say something and I will implicate myself.
It might be different in different countries as well.
Let's have a look at what the top thing says on Google. Trademarks are issued on a use it or lose it basis, whereas copyright remains intact and enforceable for its entire duration, regardless of whether or not the copyright holder keeps the work in circulation for the entire period, or whether they can take action over copyright breaches. If you understood that, then you are better than me. But again, I would ask a lawyer.
Do you still sell in Teespring?
No. I still make money in Teespring because somehow I get sales, a couple sales here and there, but I don't sell on Teespring anymore. And in fact, if I could, I would boycott it. I do not like Teespring for many reasons, and I've made many videos on it.
Okay. How much would you need to start FBA? From Valentine.
Good question. We like to say $1,500 or £1,500, and that should get you a solid course. Not plugging my course or anything, but that should get you a solid course as well as enough money for inventory and even your first ad. So anywhere between $1,500 and $2,000 is a good amount to start.
Okay. Where am I up to? Oh. Menno asks, how are you?
I'm really great. Thank you so much for asking. It's just, lovely that someone asked me how I'm doing. How are you, Lauren?
I'm good.
You're just good?
Yeah, I'm great.
I'm great. I think we're both great.
We are.
We're good.
Kalindi asks, I am 18 and I want to earn because I want to be independent as well as
nice.
And not ask my parents for this every time. It would be great if you can tell me about this.
Awesome. Okay, well, rather than answer this question in detail here, I will try and remember to put the video up there on how to make money starting with zero, and it's really good. But firstly, I would just quickly say to you, write down your hobbies and your skills. Okay, once you've written them all down, see how you can monetize it. Are you good at English? Are you good at writing? Are you good at photography? Are you good at maybe editing? Or are you good at maths? If you're 18, the one sure way to make money is tutoring. Just going to put that out there, because there's tons of people you can tutor. You've been through school now, so you've got a lot of knowledge in there. You're up and coming with what's going on. So tutoring is great. And then you can also do freelance stuff. So you can do Fiverr, you can do Upwork, you can do Elance. You can do all these. You can go on all these platforms where people can hire you for odd jobs in whatever skills you want. That will earn you a bit of money, and then as soon as you can afford to, go into a business, maybe like Amazon FBA or affiliate marketing or YouTube or print on demand. That's what I would suggest.
Good advice.
Thank you.
The last question we have is, which one would you choose for print on demand if you are a beginner? Amazon merch, Redbubble, Etsy, Teespring, TeePublic, Shopify, or any other?
I'm going to look at the iPad because I don't remember that list. If I'm a beginner, I would choose Redbubble and I would choose merch by Amazon. I would start with just those two, just because they have organic traffic. They're very, very easy, very user-friendly. You can, do really well with them. And then as soon as you make a bit of money, as soon as you start establishing yourself in the business, go to Shopify and start doing it yourself. Try source the designs yourself as well. It'll be a lot cheaper and you'll drastically increase your profit margin. Are we done with the questions?
We are.
Thank you so much for asking all these incredible questions. We got over 50, way more than 50 questions, because some people asked 3 or 4. We've probably got like 70 questions, 80 questions there. So I just want to say it's so nice, and I absolutely love it that I have such an engaging audience that actually ask me these questions. I love making these videos, and I love the fact that Lauren has made these videos with me, and I certainly want her to come on more videos. And if you want to see Lauren in more videos, then let me know in the comments down below. Just say lots of nice things, and hopefully she'll come on for more videos. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye.